Transactions completed, and nice, guys. 5,000 in a profit. In general, $7,000 on our balance. Hey, how are you? My name is Roland. Welcome to my YouTube channel. Here we are trading on binary options. I guess the best of the best. So if you want to be rich or make some money to buy a new car, welcome. Don't forget about likes, comments, and subscriptions. Share this video with your friends. Let's get started. So guys, all right, let's start. Finally, we are on a broker. You can see all the currency pairs picked. It's we have OTC, which means there will be a large percentage of payments. So we will start with a balance of $100 and open 1 minute time frame strategies. Let's select indicators. Today is gonna be Bollinger Bands, fractal, and 2 RSI. Let's set up our indicators. Select Bollinger Bands, set the period to 13 and deviation to 2, and from the visualization we will probably leave everything as it is. I like it. All right, RSI, first RSI period 10. We will set up second RSI with a period of 5. All right, click save, and these are the indicators we will analyze today when trading on OTC market. So let's get started with the overall care of my trading. You will understand how you can open trades correctly when working with this strategy. Well, in principle, yeah, you can start today. And by the way, today transaction will mainly be open according to the trend, and I advise everyone to open this way when trading on OTC market. Well, actually, let's finally get started and select currency pair. All right, here short position right now. Since I think that we will have a good signal here, let's open downward rather than on the trend. So let's highlight the workspace. Here seems to be a good signal to go down, so we're guided by RSI. We have touched the upper moving average of our Bollinger Bands channel, and accordingly we will expect a downward exit. After this touch, we will wait for a small rollback, and I think in this area it's better to do just that and open downward trend, especially since we see that our RSI is in the overbought area, and accordingly it's better to open a short position, downside trade, right? So let's see, 10 seconds. Let's just wait until the end of the position, and 3 seconds. Nice, we're in the profits, first position as usual. So let's update the amount, 187, and yeah, quite risky position, but anyway we are in the profits. In upward dynamics, pullbacks are in here and here. Let's say in the direction of the trend. You need to open position at these points for an increase, and if we touch the upper moving average, then a trade should be open for a short decrease. So yeah, actually let's continue our trading. Select the next currency pair and consider some other entry into the transaction. Okay, here we will open short position in the direction of the trend. Let's select the working area. I'll now explain you the principle of entry. Of course, look, we have downward dynamics. This time we see all the prices going down for us. Plus, this is a very good resistance area. In general, further touching the upper moving channel, and after this, those signals, and besides our RSI indicators tells us that the movement should leave the area of overbought downwards. So in the direction of the trend, we are opening a trade for short. In general, we already seeing good exit. I don't think that the candle will be somewhere higher. So this deal is most likely closed in plus. So there a few seconds, and yes, of course, without any problems, our position is in profit. Let's update the trade amount, $359. Let's put all the money and continue. Yeah, According to the trend, we opened here and there was already a relatively good deal. Here we were confident, we see where our movement went. The second candle is also going down for us, so let's not delay, let's continue our analysis, let's find some. Here, long position, according to the trend. I won't say that the deal was completely successful, but I think the pullback is over and we will open again according to the trend. As you may have noticed, our trend is slowly changing and turning into an upward trend. So as I said at the beginning of trading, we're mainly opening with a trend. So working space, firstly, we have a pullback after which the movement went up again. Then we see a rollback again, touching the moving average on our Bollinger Bands, and then the movement should, in theory, go up, especially since we see a reversal from every side. We see its upward dynamics since we now exited the oversold area at this point, and in general, let's just see. So 3 seconds left. As I said, after rollback along the trend, we open and the deal is closed without any problems. Nice. Let's put down maximum again, $689. All right, and continue, of course. Here, by the way, why not? Let's open the trade for an increase. Let me select the workspace again. We will open again in the direction of the trend because OTC, guys. So look, we had a long pullback here, such good pullback, yeah. Our movement touched the lower moving channel. Here we see from the side that the movement has left the oversold area. Why not open long the trend? And here we also see an upward trend in the RSI. Accordingly, we open long the trend and see our picture of what is happening as a whole. So I'm pleased with the result. I guess we will have more than $1,000 in the next 8 seconds. This cannot be like, it's okay. It's not something supernatural, but still it's always very pleasant. So yeah, we are in the profits. Next, let's put down 1,000 and select next currency pair. Long position here. A relatively good entry for this trade. We open along the trend, so let's highlight the workspace. There are very good dynamics of movement. Here I'm more inclined towards analysis, towards technical movement. Here we see that our rollbacks approach approximately the middle line, yeah, the moving average of our channel. Here we see a fairly strong rollback of the movement, and accordingly after this rollback we open the trade for increase. I think here I'm absolutely right and our deal should be closed. Plus a very good pullback because there was already a movement here that crossed the moving average line. See, in theory it should already be reversing. If you understand how Bollinger Bands works, guys, you understand me perfectly. And as I said, the deal closed without any problems in a plus, so let's put down $1,000. Okay, and continue. I thought I had less than 1,000, so yeah, already 2,000 with something on a balance. We can make it more. Let's open 4 or 5 positions and then we will withdraw the money. So yeah, let's continue. Long positions, why not? Right here. I don't think there's anything wrong with that. I think the dynamics of our movement will go up. So let's select workspace. Very interesting entry into a trade. Now we see a very strong price pullback and then we see a touch of the lower moving average. We are very confident that we will exit the oversold area according to the RSI. So I think here we have 100% need to open trade for a long. We also have a good point, of contact. In general, let's look at the result. The candle has already given its main impulse of movement, so the deal can close plus or minus at this level, and in theory this can be assumed and should be assumed. Now we have 10 seconds left until I'm completely satisfied with the movement pattern of this candle. The most important thing is that there's no downward impulse in the last seconds, and yep, it didn't happen, and we have our profit without any problems again. So yeah, to complete our trading session, we will open a transaction in the amount of $4,000. So let's select currency pair for this to consolidate the result. So yeah. Alright, here we go. Bullish trades again. We will open them in the direction of the trend and again rely on the rebound from the middle line along our Bollinger Bands channel, guys. And let's highlight the working area. In general, we see upward dynamics here, just an opening along the trend. As I said at the beginning of the video, after rollback it's better to always look for an upward opening. So yeah, moreover, our local high has been updated, or rather our local low has been updated. Respectively, the local high should also be updated, and accordingly our movement should go up and be updated again. So we again open a trade in the direction of the trend here because OTC, based on these judgments. The latest, we have seconds left until transactions completed, and nice, guys, 5,000 in a profit. In general, $7,000 on our balance. So I guess it's fine for us. What do you think? Let's stop here. I think it's worth stopping. So yeah, we have 7,700 from $100. I guess that's good profit. So yeah, let's put down 7,600. Here's my address, and the code goes right there. Alright, continue button, and the whole operation is completed successfully. I'll attach the screenshot, of course. So thank you for watching, guys. Don't forget about likes, comments, subscriptions, YouTube channel and Telegram channel. Have a good market. Bye bye. So guys, don't forget to watch this video till the end. Don't forget about the YouTube, Telegram, likes, comments, I appreciate that, and of course subscriptions. After you subscribe to my Telegram channel and text me, you will get a $300 draw. So I want to help you. To start, and 3 lucky subscriber will get $100 on their balances from me, like a gift. So guys, let's get started so you can get it too.